guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this set of nails, and I'm also going to be unboxing this new brand of polygels. But before I get into that, I'm going to also do my comment shout out, which goes to Kai the stylist, and she says, "Oh my god, I just did ice cream nails, but these are fire. Love that nude with that pink. Amazing set." Thank you so much for commenting, and also I'm going to check out your Instagram to see how that ice cream set came out. So today I'm going to be trying the Tobeglam Take Me Home collection, and this is the first time I'm trying this brand, and also it's like really brand new. So here's the packaging, and I just absolutely love it. It's so adorable. So I opened up the box, and there's this little Tobeglam like envelope with some directions inside, and I think that's really creative that it's an envelope instead of like just, you know, the normal trifolds. And you can use my code NaomiNails911 for 10% off, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it. So this kit also has dual forms. They have stiletto ones and normal ones, and I had no idea that they made stilettos, so that is really cool. So I might try that in next video. It comes with a little lamp, so it basically has everything that you need to do a set of polygel nails, so it's perfect for beginners. So we have here our hand file. It's a 100/180. Also a brush. It's double-ended. One side is the brush and the other side is the spatula. So pretty standard, pretty basic. Also we have here our top coat and base coat, and I'm just like in love with the matte packaging on the bottles and the tubes. It's just giving me like Macart vibes, which I just absolutely love. Now getting into the colors, we have Pure, which is their clear polygel, and it's actually really clear, and I used it in today's video. There's Pretty Much, which is like a kind of a dark pink with sparkles and glitter. We have You're My Queen, which is like a light shimmery pink, and I really like this color, so send me ideas of what you want me to do with this kit. This one's Oh She Pretty. Yes, she is so pretty, honestly. It's like a cosmic purple with like shimmer and like just a lot of chromatic reflex. This one is Sweet Talk, and this is just like a light pink. I don't believe there's any glitter or anything in it. It's kind of skin toned a little bit. This one is just in pink, and this one is a little bit more darker and has like more of a bubble gum vibe, you know. So starting off with the nail set, I'm just gluing on my Vicitus tips, and I'm just cutting off the numbers. So lately I've been preferring to use scissors to like cut my tips, just because I feel like it gives me a more precise shape, and so it saves me a lot of time when I go in with filing. So today I'm just going for like an extreme stiletto. It's not too long, and I could have used the dual forms that came in the kit, which are stiletto, but I kind of wanted to go a bit longer today. So I'm just shaping it up. Now I've wiped off the dust. Now I'm going in with my base coat gel, and then I'm going to cure it in the light. So I'm also going to take this like reflective paper. I believe they call it broken glass, and it was just so hard to find. I've been looking for it for years. I found it on, I believe, either AliExpress or Wish. If you guys want the link, I can link it down below. So I just added some reflective like glitters and that reflective paper that I cut up in pieces in the wet wet base coat gel. Then I cured it, and then I went in with their clear polygel, which is called Pure, and encapsulated it. And now I'm just shaping it up to the nail. So I typically like to, shape up the cuticle area first and then work the product down the nail. So I've been doing just one bead recently. I used to do 2 beads, but I just feel like that takes way too much time, and I often make my nails too thick when I do it that way. So this is just perfect for me. I love the consistency of this polygel, and I also love the clarity of it. Like, it is so clear and you can't see any bubbles or imperfections in the clear polygel, which is like something that I rarely can't achieve. Even like with my card polygel, which they say is the clearest, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just working with a contaminated brush, and this is like a brand new brush, so I don't know. So I'm just going in with, I believe this is called Oh So Pretty or Oh She Pretty. It's the purple color in the kit, and I'm just doing the rest of the nails this color using the same method, just one bead. And I'm focusing a lot of the product towards the middle / cuticle area because I do want to build up that apex without having to do 2 beads. So I really love the color and how the shimmer hits the light. It just kind of gives it that cat eye effect, and it really reminds me of the Mariposa Mayhem kit by McCart. I think they have some colors that are similar to this, or honestly they look identical almost. But yeah, so if you like that kit, you're probably gonna love this one because there's some similar pieces in it. So yeah. So I've already shaped and filed using my hand file, so now I'm using my e-file to go around the cuticle area just to seal it off and make it look clean and stuff. So this is my Pana medium grit drill bit and my Yulan e-file. So I'm just going around. It took me a long time for me to feel comfortable using this, just because the first time I used it, I really messed myself up. Like I drilled so deep into my natural nails, so it was just a disaster. So it's okay if you're not comfortable using this drill bit in particular. You can use a sanding band. So right now I'm going to be doing my unicorn nail for my pinky. So I'm just taking some of the purple polygel and some base coat gel and mixing it together until it's like thick but not too thick, and liquidy but not too liquidy. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I'm gonna mix until all the elements are incorporated together. So typically this is done with builder gel, but I don't have any, so I'm just really trying to replicate that consistency that builder gel has. So I'm just mixing it together until it's smooth. It kind of takes a while, but it will, get there. Or if you wanted to, you could do this design using your drill. But I just feel like that way is a little bit too permanent, if that makes sense. Like, at least when I do it this way, I can kind of clean it up using my brushes and stuff. But like once you drill wrong, you kind of can't take it back. So I just like this method a lot better. So I'm just creating these lines, like diagonal kind of rounded lines going upward to mimic that like unicorn horn. It didn't quite come out how I wanted it to, just because I wanted it to be a little bit more defined, but you know, it's fine. I did it in another video, so that one definitely looked a lot better, but I didn't have a chance to show you guys what I was doing. So this DIY builder gel or whatever is definitely not as opaque as the enhancement, but that's to be expected because we did mix that clear base coat gel with it. So because this product is a little bit more on the like liquidy side or whatever, it's going to spread a little bit. So you want to make sure before you cure it, you want to, you know, clean it up with another brush and some alcohol maybe, just before you cure it. But I did that off camera. So I wash my hands, now I'm adding some bling, and I'm just using the clear polygel as a bling adhesive. So while it's wet, I'm just sticking it in, and then when I'm all done and content, I'm gonna cure it. So I added a top coat to the middle finger, and I'm top coating the rest of the fingers, but just take a look at how clear that middle finger is. I'm just super impressed. Don't forget to top coat the back side of your clear nails to get that maximum clarity. So right here I have my Blossom Strawberry Cuticle Oil. I'm just going to apply that around my cuticles so they're not so dry. So that is it for today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Go use my code NaomiNails911 at Tobeglam for 10% off your purchase. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.